Alright, so let's get under this bonnet because we need to put this on our head. This is my leave out from a previous install. I think I want to finesse it. And use this for my new leave out. So I just want to get this out of the way. You talking to me? Babe. Huh? I love you too, Jamin. Thanks, baby. I'm about to finish this video, okay? All right, thank you.
You're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure.
All right, so once I put my hair down in a little bun, you can honestly do, you can do ankle braids here as well as here, but the most simplest, easiest, convenient way to do this is just to part your leave out and clip on your wig in this area. The closer that you get to this part, the more seamless you can have your leave out lay on top. So that's the goal. The further it is, it's not going to be as seamless when you try to blend your hair. So the goal is to get it as close to this parted line as possible. Try not to get it on your hair, because then when you lay your hair over it, it's going to look like a hump, and we don't want that. Clip, clip. Feel for the comb, take the comb and comb it in. You see that? I didn't clip it in correctly. Just gonna go back and clip it to get it closer. Take my spray bottle. Add a little water to loosen up some of these curls, because this is the curl pattern that comes with. Now, the wig is installed. I'm going to just blend my hair. Yes, it's currently straight, but that's okay. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Just kidding. For this install, I'm just gonna be spraying some water on my hair. And some leave-in conditioner. And crunch it up. Repeat the same thing on the other side. So y'all, my hair, honestly, it reverts back. It's not heat damage or anything. It's just because when I straighten my hair, I normally spray like a light holding spray over it just so it can stay. And it normally reverts back after some manipulation. So that's how that's going to look once I complete this side. This is so pretty. Let me see how I want to put this on. I don't know. Take it with an elastic band, go around once. Do 2 ponytails. So I think I'm gonna stay at this hairstyle for my outro, but V-part wig install in minutes. Thank you so much to Nadula Hair. This is their 20-inch Kinky Curly V-part wig. All the information on this hair will be in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. Yeah, my curls reverted back pretty nice. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, please chat it up with me. Let me know in the comment section, because I would love to hear from you all. But yeah. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye beauties.